Course overview. So what do we have for you guys at BLS? So we have complete pre-recorded sessions for all chapters from chapter first till the last chapter. Okay, but trust me, we'll be dealing with your course in um, as syllabus area. So I do not focus much on chapters, but I focus on syllabus, getting the syllabus areas right, because that's exactly how your exam is designed. Okay, so you've got pre-recorded sessions for all chapters, so you can take them at your convenience. Then we have weekly live sessions, and that's my most favorite element, weekly live sessions, because that's where we focus on drafting practice exam techniques. Okay, like I told you, this is a theory exam and there's lots of information. In order to excel in this exam, you need to have excellent writing skills. In order to have excellent writing skills, you need the right exam technique. Okay, many times, even if you don't know much about a topic, you can pass the exam if you have the right exam technique. All you need to do is learn those techniques, those tips, those cheat codes. Then topical assignments and overall syllabus mock. Oh, so this is something that we have been doing for a very long time. Topical assignment. I've after every assignment, obviously, um, in order to check where you stand or where you are, you will have topical assignments and an overall syllabus mock. And yeah, if anybody wants to share them more for feedback, more than welcome, more than happy, because we always expect you guys to send in your your assignments, your overall and the syllabus mock, so that you guys can receive your feedback and kind of improve. Complete chapter wise. Now this is something um, I focus way more on during your session, and probably a few days before your exam, 15-20 days before your exam. We'll be focusing on chapter wise notes. um Chapter wise notes you guys already have. So what I was talking about extra information notes and exam technique notes. I'll also show you guys where these notes are on the website. Okay, so and at the end of every chapter you will have a chapter wise note. So if you want to refer to Kaplan study text, you're more than welcome. But we definitely recommend following our vertex notes because they are more than enough. But if you are somebody who wants to dive deep into information, into an information ocean, then you have got the Kaplan exam study text itself. Okay. Structured study plan, yeah, very important. And this study plan in WhatsApp group. Okay, in WhatsApp group, that's one of my most favorite elements as well, WhatsApp group, because you see, I'll be meeting you guys, and that too virtually, once a week. But that doesn't mean that we won't be connected. Our WhatsApp group is very active. Okay. All you need to do is to stay active, because we are very active, to entertain your queries, to welcome your questions, and share with you all the study plans, or even extra information or threads. There may always be one thing or the other that we'll have to play around just to secure the maximum possible marks in the examination. Focus on stress, pressure, and time management. I will keep on repeating these keywords over and over again till it, fits in minds and step stamps in your heart. Okay? Stress, pressure, and time management is the most important tool for a student, honestly speaking. Because many times, even if you are the best of the best, you will definitely struggle if you cannot manage your stress. Okay?